This is Sheila, an engineer at Ferric Heavy Equipment. Sheila's customers depend on Ferric's long-lasting machine efficiencies to do their jobs. But with daily field use comes maintenance requirements. Typically, every pivot point will require frequent relubrication to prevent wear and failure. Think of your equipment as athletes. Without the right support, their odds of joint injury go way up. The combine plans on Sheila's desk are full of potential pain points for her future farm customer to take notice. With traditional metal bushings, the farmer needs to lubricate dozens of connections, from the axle walking beam to the lifting arm linkages. The farmer has enough to do without worrying about greasing bushings and bearings. But Sheila knows about Rexnord's series of cutting-edge filament bearings. Not only are they self-lubricating, they perform maintenance-free under even the most extreme service duty and environmental conditions. If your combine was a soccer player, Rexnord's filament bearings would be an analogy of the high-tech shoes, protecting impacts and managing joint stress. So Sheila's time-crunched farm customer will appreciate that Rexnord's filament bearings can take a task off his extensive vehicle service to-do list. But what about her other customers? They're covered too. The tower crane operator can breathe easy because filament bearings excel in dusty environments without maintenance. So his fully loaded trolley won't bind up 200 feet off the ground. Additionally, Rexnord's unique manufacturing process results in a filament bearing with higher reliability that complies to aircraft and military quality standards. So they are perfect for use in heavy vehicle, flight, and submarine applications. In fact, their combined epoxy resin and wound fiberglass matrix thrive in machine usage because they don't corrode like traditional metallic bushings. Between lowered maintenance costs, high performance, and reliability, Sheila knows Rexnord's filament bearings will save money and repair time for her machinery's end users. Rather than worrying about part failure, her customers, the operators, farmers, pilots, and doers of all kinds, can confidently focus on the job at hand. How can Rexnord's filament bearings reduce your maintenance costs and increase your efficiency?